Psychology facts about trusting people. Here are some psychology facts about trusting people. Trust is a crucial component of healthy relationships. It enables people to feel safe and secure, which is essential for healthy social interactions and emotional well-being. Trust is built over time through consistent, reliable behavior and communication. It is earned through honesty, transparency, and maintaining agreements and commitments. Trust can be difficult to rebuild once it has been broken. It takes time, effort, and often therapeutic intervention to repair trust that has been damaged. People who have experienced trauma or abuse in their past may struggle with trust, as they may have learned that trust can be violated or exploited. Trust can be influenced by cultural and social norms. In some cultures, trust is highly valued and actively cultivated, while in others it may be less emphasized. Trust can be improved through activities such as mindfulness, communication skills training, and building self-esteem. Trust is a dynamic process and can change over time based on a person's experiences and interactions with others. Trust is important for emotional well-being and mental health, as it helps people feel connected to others and allows them to feel safe and secure in their relationships. Past experiences. Our past experiences with other people can significantly influence how much we trust them. If we have had positive experiences with someone in the past, we are more likely to trust them in the future. On the other hand, if we have had negative experiences with someone in the past, we may be less likely to trust them in the future. Similarity. People are more likely to trust others who are similar to them in terms of their values, beliefs, and attitudes. This is because we tend to feel more comfortable with people who are like us and share our views. Emotional intelligence. People who are high in emotional intelligence are generally more trustworthy because they are able to understand and manage their own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. This allows them to communicate effectively and build strong relationships with others. Communication. Good communication is an important factor in building trust. People who are open and honest in their communication are more likely to be trusted than those who are evasive or deceptive. Consistency. People who are consistent in their actions and words are generally more trustworthy. If someone's behavior is unpredictable or inconsistent, it can be difficult to trust them. Dependability. People who are dependable and reliable are more likely to be trusted. If someone has a history of following through on their commitments and keeping their promises, they are more likely to be trusted. Trust is essential for healthy relationships. It allows us to feel safe and secure in our connections with others, and it enables us to be more vulnerable and open with them. Trust is built over time through consistent, positive experiences and behaviors. It takes time and effort to build trust, and it can be easily damaged or broken by negative experiences or behaviors. Trust can be influenced by a number of factors, including past experiences, communication style, and personality traits. Trust is not an all-or-nothing concept. People can trust someone in some areas, but not in others. Trust can be repaired, but it takes time and effort. If trust has been broken, it is important to address the issue and work towards rebuilding trust through open and honest communication and consistent, positive behaviors. Trust is not always easy to give, especially if we have been hurt or betrayed in the past. It is important to be patient and understanding as we work towards building trust in our relationships.